class action lawsuit was made against Toyota Scion because the rear hatch door handle was constantly breaking under normal use. The Scion TC's between 2005 and 2010 rear hatch door handle lift point is made out of plastic and breaks under normal use. The present patented replacement is an improved design of the original by adding a second piece to reinforce support at the point where it normally breaks. The improved design of the rear hatch door handle will last because metal was used instead of plastic.